Logic and Binary here. We're back once again. This is LB Dexter. Got the producer T God in the back, and I have a special guest on the side. You can't see him, but you know him as Cheeto Fingers, my nephew. Anyways, really excited today. Really excited today. Got a great little segment. Just a quick unboxing. Believe it or not, we did it. We went out there and we got our hands on a brand new PS5. We did not go through the bootleggers or the scalpers or whatnot. We actually got our hands on a PS5 and we're going to unbox it for you right now. Super excited. T-Got, actually, Pickle Fingers, shoot it. Dude, Cake Pop. This isn't a PS. We have an Xbox. This is not a PS5. They lied to me. Actually, I knew all along. We had the Xbox. We're not getting a PS5. I think it's pretty obvious that nobody in this world is getting a PS5 anytime soon. But the Xbox are available now, so we got one. And we're going to do an unboxing here. This is an Xbox Series X. There was the original was an Xbox. Then there was an Xbox One, an Xbox X Communication, an Xbox 360, an Xbox 1055, Xbox 2020, Xbox Series X. PS, PlayStation, PlayStation 2, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X. Look, I'm gonna be honest, PS5 guy. I don't Xbox. I've played it, whatever. But it's an amazing product. Don't get me wrong. It is an amazing product. Does a lot of things that the PlayStation won't do. It's just not a PlayStation. But we're gonna do the unboxing with the permission of my producer.
Launch control, this is Houston. We are go for launch.
Let's see what we find inside. Like my knife. Oh, no, never mind. It does not need sharpening. Oh, I must have been using the wrong edge. I have to admit, this is pretty exciting here. Oh, it's fancy. Did I open this the wrong way? I feel like I'm opening this the wrong way and I'm not getting the full experience here. So I'm going to try to all right, here we go. Xbox Series X, full experience. Nice. You know, it actually looks pretty cool. I like this whole cube thing going on here. Oh my God, it's heavy. Holy moly. Wow, that is, I mean, this is heavy. This is really legitimately heavy. I heard that the PlayStation was heavy, but let's we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side here. Phone piece. So we're gonna go ahead and keep with the unboxing. Power cable, I'm assuming here. Seems pretty basic. HDMI cable. Okay, props to the company for providing an HDMI cable. Everybody has HDMI cables. There's no need for it. But it's always great that the company provides it because you can never have enough HDMI cables. This is great. This is what I do believe to be a controller. Controller off first glance. Seems a little smaller, a bit of an improvement. Like I said, I'm used to PlayStation controllers, so this might be a little uncomfortable for me. Actually, this is pretty smart to have this up here versus the D-pad. This is 2021. Really, dude? Really? Really, Microsoft? Really? Duracell batteries? Really? 2021. We've got electric vehicles. We've got an F-150 that can light your entire house. You're gonna give me batteries? I know for a fact that everybody since the first day the first Xbox was released, they complained about these batteries. I've never owned an Xbox in my life, and everybody that I know complains about these batteries, and you do it again? You do it again? Really? Sorry for my rant, but you deserve it. Really? Come on now. I think batteries for controllers are just the dumbest idea that anybody ever could come up with in their life. These are super expensive. This controller plus this plus a year's worth of play is like $1,000. Thank you very much. Okay, maybe not 1,000, but you know how much Doge I can get for that? Jeez, what is wrong with you? Anyways, you guys should know better. You guys should really listen to people. This is just ridiculous. This looks like a do not disturb sign that you hang at the hotel rooms. It's explaining to you how to install batteries. Now you guys don't see what's going on behind the cameras, but my nephew is on the floor, literally ROFL, literally on the floor, busting up because we have instructions on how to install batteries, when merely minutes ago, he installed the batteries incorrectly on a rotating platform. Laugh all you want. These are for you. Go ahead, take them. Take them. Go back. Go back. Okay. No, but literally, this is stupid. And you shouldn't have instructions because you shouldn't have batteries. Okay, so anyways, my nephew is trying to explain to me that you can buy a game on the Xbox app and download it to your Xbox, just like you can on PlayStation. It's nothing new, but he thinks I don't know. It's got simple instructions. Like I said, the Ethernet. Oh, I'm looking at them upside down. The USB, the Ethernet cable, storage expansion. Oh, that's pretty good. If it has it directly in there with an SD card, that's pretty good. And your power cable, USB, Ethernet, HDMI. Pretty standard. All right, Xbox. Ooh. Power your dreams, baby. Power your dreams. All right, here we go. No, I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to go ahead and slowly. Ow. You know what? I have to admit, it looks beautiful. It really does. I love it. I love the shape, the slight curvature at the top, completely black on top. And T-Cot's going to give you some great images from the top. Completely black. Not anymore. Not anymore. It has this little green circle undertone in there. So when you move it, the green circle's there. That's pretty cool. I love the shape. I love the design. It actually looks really, really cool. I wouldn't mind having this in my home. It actually looks like a design piece. It's nice, and by the looks of it, it is made. It's really heavy. I'm really trying my hardest to be gentle with this thing. So it's got this stand on the bottom, which I'm assuming is used for standing it up. Okay, but it's also got where are they? Here they are. So I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up. 4 little rubber legs there so that you can lay it flat. Yeah, I mean, I like it. I kind of like it standing up. I want to hear any jokes from you, T-Got. I'm interested to see how the CDs go into here, how the controllers plug in, and how they connect, and what this USB. There's a USB port here, and I don't know what the USB port is. I'm assuming maybe they do have some kind of wire. Pros and cons right off the bat. Pros, great looking, great design. It feels like it would fit in almost any type of... If you're the type of person that likes to design and likes to create a vibe with your furniture, your room, or if you're, you know, you've got a look that you're trying to do. I'm T-God, what's the word here? Interior design. So you know, if you got an interior design concept going on, this looks like it'll fit almost anything. It really is eye-catching. It really is beautiful for what it is. It really is gorgeous. It's not plugged in, but if it had some kind of lighting or some kind of, it might even pop a little more. I can't really speak too much. I know the PlayStation has some kind of light going across it or whatever, but it really is very beautiful. Negatives right off the bat, besides the controller and everything that I've already said about the controller, right off the bat, it's heavy. I mean, it is heavy. You know what this feels like? It feels like an old PS3. And I don't know if you remember the old PS3, but the originals, before they came up with the little skinny versions, they were huge and they were heavy. And I mean heavy. And this is a heavy piece of equipment. Oh, my goodness. It is bottom heavy, so that's a good thing. But beautiful. It's beautiful. Again, like I said, props for the HDMI cable, standard power cable, little booklet for instructions. Very simple, nothing mean, nothing dangerous. Before I close up here, we're looking at the back. We've got 2 USB ports, your Ethernet port. This is a storage expansion. Pretty self-explanatory. Hey, you want extra storage? Throw it in there. This is a 1 terabyte unit. Throw another terabyte in there and we'll go ahead and figure it out. However, I'm not sure if these storage expansions go up to a terabyte. I know for my PlayStation 4, I have an additional terabyte external drive. Real simple. It's plug and play. I mean, it's as simple as can be. You have your HDMI connection here and your power port here. Other than that, it seems pretty simple. You've got a hole right there. I don't know what that hole is for. Again, I am a little confused about this USB port here, but we'll do our research. We'll go ahead and get back to you, or feel free to leave a comment. Any knowledge that you have, by all means, leave a comment, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you know and save me some time and effort, by all means. And again, I will gladly thank you for it. Now, I'm going to say something, but don't take me, don't take my word for it. T-Got, are we giving one of these away? You heard it from T-Got. That was actually not T-Got. We're giving one away. Obviously not right away, and obviously not this one. We're going to play this one. We're going to go ahead and give away a brand new Xbox Series X, whatever this thing is called, Xbox 25. I'm going to call it the Xbox 25. To one of our followers, one of our subscribers, what we're asking is that you follow, obviously. Follow us, like this video, subscribe, and here's the added bonus. We want to know if you're Team Xbox or Team PlayStation. It doesn't matter if you put Team PlayStation, you're still in the running to win the Xbox. Again, follow, subscribe, like this video, leave a comment whether you're Team Xbox, Team PlayStation. We'll put you in a drawing and we'll go ahead and give away a brand new Xbox Series X to one of our lucky followers. More details to come in future videos, but we will be giving one away. Again, Logic and Binary, at LB Dexter, producer T-Got, Cake Pop. You guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And actually, if you don't, just give us a thumbs up anyways, man. It doesn't hurt you. Follow, subscribe, don't hate, participate. Let's go.
Yeah, and we can smoke, we can chill, we can do it all. I got a car outside, no roof at all, so we